Ethereum hits a new all-time high. Coinbase permits loans up to $1 million. And both movie makers and fast food chains tap into the crypto space. These stories and more here on Crypto. Hi, I'm Jaden from Crypto Gems, and here are the latest news on crypto. The price of Ethereum hit a new all-time high earlier this week on the back of announcements from institutional players. CME will issue micro ETH futures besides the existing micro BTC futures that are offered at 1/10 the size of the original contracts, while Bakkt will expand its cryptocurrency offering to include Ethereum. Popular crypto exchange Coinbase announced that eligible US customers can now borrow loans up to $1 million using Bitcoin as collateral. Individuals can borrow up to 40% of the value of their BTC with no credit checks or fees involved, and funds can swiftly be transferred to attached PayPal or bank accounts. Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy is now an official Bitcoin billionaire. According to a recent earnings report, Saylor personally owns more than 17,000 Bitcoins, which currently are worth over $1 billion. In addition, his company owns more than 114,000 units, which are now worth more than $7 billion. El Salvador is building 20 so-called Bitcoin schools with profits derived from the nation's Bitcoin trust. The new schools will support crypto expansion by educating locals about the essentials of cryptocurrency. Citizens can track their government's Bitcoin purchases and earnings by following a government-run Twitter profile called El Salvador BTC. Mayors of New York and Miami are in a heated battle over their belief in Bitcoin. Miami's Mayor Francis Suarez stated that he would be taking his next paycheck entirely in Bitcoin, while the New York City Mayor-elect Eric Adams responded by saying he will accept his next 3 paychecks in BTC when he becomes mayor and wants NYC to be the center of cryptocurrency industry. Influential director Quentin Tarantino is offering 7 deleted scenes from his classic film, Pulp Fiction, as non-fungible tokens. The NFTs of handwritten scripts and exclusive commentary will be auctioned on OpenSea's marketplace. At the same time, another movie maker, Warner Bros., will also launch non-fungible token collectibles for the upcoming film The Matrix Resurrections. 100,000 Matrix NFT avatars will be dropped with blue pill and red pill options. If they take the blue pill, NFT avatar owners will remain in the Matrix, but if the red pill is taken, the NFTs will transform. McDonald's is creating its first ever non-fungible token in honor of the McRib's 40th anniversary. In the giveaway, 10 contestants will be selected on Twitter to receive the NFTs. Meanwhile, its rival Burger King is collaborating with the trading platform Robinhood to give away 20 Bitcoins, 200 Ether, and 2 million Dogecoins. Members of Burger King's US loyalty program who spend over $5 on the restaurant's app will be eligible. Promotions from both companies require winners to have digital wallets in order to receive their prizes. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell, or you can visit our website in cryptogemsofficial.com with new content every day, so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere. And those are the latest news on crypto, and I'll see you on the next one.